Right guys, I'm going to do Dino Ranger and Red Tractor moving together. So let's go. Ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah, Dino Ranger's moving now. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah, Dino Ranger and Red Tractor moving together, which I will show you in a minute. See? You will not show the thank you message when you hold that carefully. You have to hold that carefully if you're not to say the thank you message. Get this big bit out, be careful.
Got big sharp teeth and powerful jaws.
Yeah, said the thank you message for some weird reason. Yeah, you can see Dino Ranger over there, see? Look, I'll show you. So they're both moving together. Hang on. I wonder who's going to win. Give Red Tractor 1.
Don't forget.
Yeah.